guys, welcome back. Today we're making a traditional classic pumpkin pie for this Thanksgiving season. I'm really excited to make this. It's going to be really delicious. So let's get baking. Now this is the same pie crust that we made in the pecan pie video, which I will link down below in the description, and I'm also going to put an adjusted recipe for this crust in the description down below for just a single pie. But other than that, I'll just let you guys watch me put it together. For our pumpkin pie filling, we're going to start with 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, and we'll mix this together. Once combined, we'll add in 2 eggs and mix this together as well. Next, we'll add in 1 can of pumpkin puree and mix this in. And lastly, we'll add in 1 can of evaporated milk and mix this all together before it's ready to be transferred into our pie shell. Next, we'll just pour our filling into our uncooked pie shell, and then bake this at 425 degrees for 15 minutes, and then 350 degrees for 50 minutes. So here's a slice of the final product. I dusted it with some powdered sugar to make it all pretty as some final touches. So let's take a bite. I'm really excited. I love pumpkin pie. It's delicious, it's a classic, it never gets old. So that's going to be it for today. Thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe to see more baking videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! What's wrong with your hands?
Oh, that's spray paint. At YouTube, that's not blood. That's salt.
What?
That's salt.
No, it's sugar. Yeah, I'm making you the saltiest pumpkin pie ever. What?
Fans are gonna love it.
What fans? I have no fans.
Guys, please subscribe so you can make this entitled girl undepressed.
Guys, please subscribe. I'm very lonely.